Hey y'all, so I wanted to show y'all a quick little tip that I found whenever I am doing my print to cut. This is what I'm working on, and I'm going to do a shirt for a birthday boy, a baby shark. And I purchased this file off of Etsy. I will include the link in the post. But what I do with mine is, let me take this off. So mine's always start off when I do my files, they are separated, and I add my own offset to make it easier to do a print and cut. So the black and the white that you see are a part of the offset that I did. I'm gonna try to separate it back to what it looked like originally when I purchased it, so you can see the difference. So okay, so this is how it looks when I purchased it, and then all I did was do an offset, and then I picked a field color, and then I did another offset and I picked that color, which was the white and the black. So that is how I did that, and I'll do another video another time to show you guys how I do my print and cut. Oh, let me also mention that I have the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. So what you do is you go to page setup, and which is this icon right here, and let me get it open back. And then you select current printer, and then it's going to be 8.5 by 11, and the orientation is portrait. And so I go right up here and I click registration marks, and I make sure that it's on. So you click on it and you go down to this. And what I do in order to make my picture or my thing that I'm going to put on the shirt bigger is to give me more of a print area. As you can see right here is what my cut line is going to be, and my design has to be within that space. And so you can change the dimensions right here. Just move this one. The length doesn't typically move, but the thickness I can move. And then if you click advanced options and just move everything over to the left, and it'll adjust your size. So if I move this, then of course it's going to bring that in. So when I move it out, it takes it back out here. When you move the bottom, as you can see, it goes up, and then you move it back over to the left and it moves down. It just gives you a little more room to make your design bigger. So let me go back and group all of this back together. Group. Okay, and so now I will just send this to my printer and print it on my transfer sheet. It's going to come out, and then when I take it and put it and feed it into my Silhouette, I'm going to come over to send, and then I'm going to select printable dark fabric, and then I'm going to make sure that my design is selected, and then I'm going to select cut edge. And when I select cut edge, all it's going to do is cut the outside of the offset. It's not going to cut anything on the inside. And so then once I got it fixed the way that I want it, and I make sure that everything is within those and within these red lines here to make sure that it cuts right, I'm going to click send, and then it's going to cut. So if you guys would like to see a more detailed print and cut video, just let me know. I just wanted to do something to give back to the group today, since you guys have done so much to help me. I just want to give a little something back. So it's a little quick little 5-minute video of how to enlarge your print area for a print and cut.